Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yamaha CS-800 video conferencing soundbar and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this hard reset to the factory settings on it. The first one is troubleshooting. If this soundbar is not connecting to Wi-Fi, or it's not syncing or pairing with your Bluetooth devices, or if you're having any kind of other connection or functionality issues that you're trying to troubleshoot, a hard reset can fix a lot of them. You will need to set this up again as it will be restored to its factory out-of-the-box settings, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you're trying to set this up in a new conference room or on a new Wi-Fi network, or just any reason why you would want to just get a fresh start as though it was coming out of the box new, we can go ahead and do this. All you need to do is you're going to go ahead and first of all, you're going to unhook the power, just unplug it. And once you unplug it, you could come and press and hold the function button. And then once you press and hold the function button, we can restore power to it. So plug it back in, all the while continuing to hold the function button for at least 5 seconds after restoring the power. You'll see the indicator lights on the soundbar will flash orange 5 times. After that, we can let go and allow it to complete its reset, at which point the light will come on white normally, and you can set it up as a new device.